Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles, and a good deal. Features also include bucket seats, rear view camera, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2013 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, mirror memory, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.